Welcome to your beautiful Caribbean vacation home, retirement home, or investment property with a modern open floor plan concept, beautiful recessed lighting throughout, a large island kitchen with granite countertops, and yes, a backyard large enough to put a swimming pool and fruit trees. Your home comes with ceramic tiles throughout, oak doors, beautiful built-in oak closets. It has 3 large bedrooms, 2.5 modern bathrooms elegantly dressed with ceramic tiles from floor to ceiling, and a modern stand-up shower with an oversized shower head. Your home is brought to you by the Dominican Real Estate Group International, and you can reach us directly on WhatsApp at +1 809 763 4400. Call us now.